Hi, welcome to Cooking with Outlaw Barbecue, where we teach you the tips and tricks we've learned as restaurant owners and competition barbecue cooks. Today we're going to teach you how to make fried ribs. That's right folks, fried ribs. We're going to show you what to do with those extra ribs that you have left over to make them a perfect snack and a perfect item for your Super Bowl party. We came up with this dish a few years back because when you do competition barbecue, you always have ribs left over. What do you do with them? You can't eat all the ones that you make, so what else can you do with them when you've had them in the refrigerator? So here we go. We've got a rack of ribs, half rack, that we made the day before. We're going to go ahead and use our air fryer again. We'll turn on our air fryer. We're going to put in our cold baby back ribs, and we're going to set them for about 8 minutes. All right, now that our ribs are out of the air fryer, we're going to go ahead and start them in a skillet. We're going to take a little bit of chopped garlic, original barbecue, a little honey, and we're going to grab our ribs and put it in the skillet. I like tossing the ribs in the skillet. That way it coats the ribs and they get nice and sticky. And if you need a little bit more sauce, you add a little bit more sauce. A little bit more honey. All right, so now that we're done and the sauce is tightened up, we're gonna go ahead and plate them. And you can do this with any wing sauce that you like or sticky sauce. And there you go. That's barbecue smoked baby back ribs, deep fried and sauced in honey garlic barbecue sauce.